Hello everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're taking a closer look at the AE5 Pro Drone, a compact yet powerful quadcopter designed for smooth flying, smart control, and high-quality aerial photography. At first glance, the AE5 Pro stands out with its foldable design and lightweight build. Weighing just 183 grams, this drone is extremely portable and, in many regions, avoids the hassle of registration required for heavier drones. Fold it up, put it in your bag, and you're ready to fly anywhere. One of the biggest highlights is the 4.3-inch built-in screen controller. You don't always need your phone. Just power on the remote and see the live camera feed directly on the display. This makes flying simpler, especially for beginners and younger users. The AE5 Pro features a 4K HD wide-angle camera with an electronically stabilized anti-shake lens. The front camera can be adjusted up to 90 degrees from the transmitter, allowing you to frame your shots perfectly. Combined with optical flow positioning, the drone maintains stable hovering, resulting in clearer photos and smoother videos. Under the hood, this drone uses 1503 brushless motors, delivering stronger power, quieter operation, and longer motor life compared to brushed motors. The 6-axis gyroscope and 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology keep the flight smooth and responsive, even for new pilots. Battery performance is solid for its size. The 3.7-volt 1300 mAh smart lithium battery provides up to 20 minutes of flight time, and there's an on-body LCD power display, so you always know how much battery you have left. Charging takes about 1 hour via USB, which is very convenient. Smart flight features really make the AE5 Pro fun to use. You get headless mode for easier orientation, height hold using the built-in pressure sensor, and gesture control, letting you take photos or videos with simple hand movements. Through the app, you can even draw a custom flight path, and the drone will follow it automatically. With a control range of up to 100 meters and Wi-Fi image transmission up to 50 meters, the AE5 Pro is ideal for backyard flying, parks, and casual aerial photography. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started: the drone, remote controller, battery, spare propellers, USB charging cable, SD card, card reader, screwdriver, and user manual. So, is the AE5 Pro drone worth it? If you're looking for a lightweight, brushless drone with a built-in screen controller, stable 4K camera, and beginner-friendly smart features, this is a great option for casual flyers, families, and first-time drone users. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews here on Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.